Music 6, Quarter 1, Week 5. Let's learn about rhythm. Conduct 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures. Module 3, Lesson 1. Hello kids, it's me, Teacher Frel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the notification bell for the latest video. You can also follow my Facebook page, Teacher Frel TV. For today's lesson in Music 6, we will discuss about rhythm. Conduct 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures. We are now in Lesson 1 of Module 3, Week 5. Lesson 1. Rhythm. Conduct 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures. There are patterns that are greatly helpful in every meter found in music, particularly in conducting. Conducting gestures are used to guide and synchronize the performance of a choir or musical group. Conducting patterns and gestures are based on the time signature, tempo, and reading of a song. Before we discuss our lessons today, let's try to do this activity. What's in? Match the rhythmic pattern in column A to its time signature in column B. Write your answers on a separate sheet of paper. For number 1, there are two measures. In the first measure, the first note is half note, and the second note is quarter note. Half note has 2 beats, and the quarter note has 1 beat. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And in the second measure is a dotted half note. The dot is the half of the note, so the dot is equivalent to 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer for number 1 is letter C, 3/4. It could be also letter D, which is 6/8 time signature. For number 2, the notes in the first measure are quarter notes. Quarter note has 1 beat. There are 4 quarter note. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 4. And in the second measure, there are 2 8 notes. 8 note is equivalent to 1 half. 1 half plus 1 half equals 1. And the second note is half note, which has 2 beats. And the other note is quarter note, which has 1 beat. So 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. The answer for number 2 is letter B, which is 4/4 time signature. Number 3. 2 8 notes is equivalent to 1. So there are 2 pairs of 8 note. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. And in the second measure, there are 4 16th note. 16th note has 1/4 beat. 1/4 plus 1/4 is equivalent to 1 half. 1 half plus 1 half equals 1. Then, there are 2 quarter notes. So, let's count. 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So for number 3, the answer is letter D, 6/8 time signature. And for number 4, the first measure has 2 quarter notes. In the first measure, there are 2 beats. In the second measure, the notes are quarter note and 2 8 notes. 1 plus 1 half plus 1 half equals 2. So therefore, the answer for number 4 is letter A, which is 2/4 time signature. Conducting patterns. Have you watched or attended a concert? Have you noticed the conductor leading the choir, band, or orchestra? Conductors direct a choir, ensemble, band, and orchestra through arm movements that suits the chosen music or repertoire of the group. These are called conducting gestures or conducting patterns. We see conductors in school choirs, church choirs, marching bands, symphony band, ethnic ensemble, and in a concert orchestra. And now, let us study the patterns below. In 2/4 time signature, there are 2 beats per measure. Here is the beat pattern. 1, 2. In 3/4 time signature, there are 3 beats per measure. And the beat pattern is this. 1, 2, 3. And in 4/4 time signature, there are 4 beats per measure. And this is the beat pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can pause this video to study the different beat patterns according to their time signature. What is the conducting pattern of 2/4 time signature? Very good. This is the conducting pattern. Next, what is the conducting pattern of 3/4 time signature? Very good. This is the conducting pattern. Next, what is the conducting pattern of 4/4 time signature? Very good. This is the conducting pattern. What are their counting patterns? For 2/4, this is the beat pattern, and the counting pattern is 1, 2. For 3/4, this is the beat pattern, and the counting pattern is this. 1, 2, 3. And for 4/4, this is the beat pattern, and the counting pattern is this. 1, 2, 3, 4. In what direction is the preparatory beat in conducting 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures? The preparatory beat in conducting 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signature is before counting the first beat. In what direction should you start conducting 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures? You should start conducting 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures from the top going down. How will you conduct the 3 basic time signature? By using hand gestures. Counting patterns. Common examples of simple time signatures are 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. In conducting a composition with complete measures, the first beat is always the down beat. Conductors give preparatory beat prior to the starting of a musical piece. The counting pattern for 2/4 time signature is 1, 2. For 3/4 time signature is 1, 2, 3. And for 4/4 time signature is 1, 2, 3, 4. And now, do this activity. Letter A. Write the counting patterns for each time signature. Number 1. 4/4 time signature. What is the counting pattern for this? Very good. The counting pattern is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. 2/4 time signature. What is the counting pattern for this? Very good. The counting pattern is 1, 2. Number 3. 3/4 time signature. What is the counting pattern for this? Very good. The counting pattern is this. 1, 2, 3. For letter B, write the numbers on the conducting pattern for 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4 time signatures. Number 1. This is 4/4 time signatures. The numbers on the conducting pattern for this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 2. This is 3/4 time signatures. The numbers on the conducting pattern is 1, 2, 3. Number 3. This is 2/4 time signature. The numbers on the conducting pattern is 1, 2. Sing the song Pamulinawin while conducting the simple time signatures. The simple time signature is 2/4. So in each measure of this song, there are 2 beats. Sing this song while conducting the simple time signature of 2/4. For letter C, sing the song Ili Ili Tulog Anay while conducting the simple time signature. The time signature of this song is 3/4. In each measure, there are 3 beats. So sing this song while conducting the simple time signature of 3/4. Next, for letter D, sing the song Hear the Bells while conducting the simple time signatures. C means common time signature. Common time signature is 4/4 time signature. In each measure, there are 4 beats. Sing this song while conducting the simple time signature of 4/4. What I have learned. Conducting gestures guide the performance of a musical group. The purpose of conducting is to keep the whole orchestra, choir, and band coordinated so that all the participating musicians will start and stop at the right time through the cue of the conductor. In conducting, the first beat of every measure is the down beat. The counting pattern for 2/4 time signature is 1, 2. The counting pattern for 3/4 time signature is 1, 2, 3. And the counting pattern for 4/4 time signature is 1, 2, 3, 4. What I can do? Demonstrate the conducting patterns of the following time signatures. Number 1, conduct 4/4 time signature. Follow the beat pattern. Number 2, 2/4 time signature. Conduct this time signature and follow the pattern. And for number 3 is 3/4 time signature. Follow this pattern. For the assessment, read and understand each item carefully. Write the letter of the correct answer on a separate sheet of paper. Number 1. Waltz rhythm has a counting pattern of 1, 2, 3. What conducting pattern will you use for waltz? A, B, C, or D? Very good. The answer is letter D. 3/4 time signature. Number 2. Conducting patterns and gestures are based on the time signature. Which time signature is appropriate for march rhythm with counting patterns of 1, 2? A, 3/4, B, 4/4, C, 2/4, D, 6/8. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter C, 2/4. Number 3. What conducting pattern is appropriate to this rhythmic pattern? The time signature is 4/4. Is it letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D? Very good. The correct answer is letter C, 4/4 time signature. Number 4. In this conducting pattern, what part of the beat is the encircled area? A, first beat, B, second beat, C, third beat, D, fourth beat. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter D, fourth beat. Number 5. A conductor uses conducting pattern to lead a musical group. Which is the conducting pattern for 2/4 time signature? A, B, C, or D? Very good. The correct answer is letter A, 2/4 time signature. Number 6. Time signatures have different counting patterns. What time signature has 1, 2, 3, 4 counting pattern? A, 3/4, B, 4/4, C, 2/4, D, 6/8. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter B, 4/4. Number 7. Time signature marks the meter of a composition. What time signature has 4 beats in a measure and a quarter note receives 1 beat? Is it A. 2-4, B. 4-4, C. 3-4, D. 6-8? What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter B, 4-4 time signature. Number 8. What conducting pattern will use for this musical phrase? A, B, C, or D? Very good. The correct answer is letter D, 3-4 time signature. Number 9. There are 2 types of time signature, the simple and compound time signatures, which does not belong to simple time signatures. A. 6-8, B. 3-4, C. 4-4, D. 2-4. What is the correct answer? Very good. The correct answer is letter A, 6-8. And for number 10, what conducting pattern will use to interpret the melodic phrase below? A, B, C, D? Very good. The correct answer is letter A, because the melodic phrase has 2 quarter notes. Each quarter note has 1 beat, so therefore the time signature is 2-4. For additional activities, identify the time signature for each conducting pattern. Write your answer on a separate sheet of paper. What is the conducting pattern for number 1? Very good. The conducting pattern is 4-4 time signature. Number 2. What is the conducting pattern for this? Very good. The conducting pattern is 2-4 time signature. And for number 3, what is the conducting pattern for this? Very good. The conducting pattern is this, 3-4 time signature. Remember, conducting gestures are used to guide and synchronize the performance of a choir or musical group. Conducting patterns and gestures are based on the time signature, tempo, and rhythm of a song. So kids, do you understand our lesson for today? Wow! Good job! Kids, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. Until our next topic, bye-bye kids! Thanks for watching!